Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, you know the drill. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. So today, I did have a plan. Okay, I did have a plan of what I wanted to do today, but that kind of went out the window when I started to film. Let's just say it's been a week. Like, it's been a week. So I was like, I ain't gonna stress about not doing what I planned on doing. We just gonna go ahead, we're gonna do this look, we're gonna get a little close up, we're gonna do a full face tutorial, and you know, whatever comes out, comes out. So I did use my FENTY Moroccan Spice palette today for this look. So if you wanna see how I got this look and, you know, sit around, hang out with me for a little bit, then go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. I am like on the highest level of discombobulation today. I don't know if that's a word. If it's not, I just made it up. But I just don't know what's going on with me today. But regardless, I'm gonna go ahead and do this look. So I kind of want to bring you guys closer. I've been really wanting to get into like getting closer up frames of my eye when I'm doing it. I think that's what we're gonna do today. So come on, get closer. You know you want to. I feel like this is the closest you guys have ever been to my face. You know, we all family here, it's all good. So let's get on this eye. So I'm going to use mostly the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette today. And for my transition color, I'm going to go into Come and Get It. And I'm going to put that into my crease. And y'all, when I tell you I'm discombobulated, like, I'm serious. Like, everything has been going wrong today. You know, you have them days where, like, anything that could go wrong does go wrong. That has been this, no, not just today. That's been this week. Okay? I'm not exaggerating. And my nail is super broke. So yet again, we're gonna ignore that. So this Moroccan Spice palette does not have like a deeper brown shade, which is what I need for this look. So I'm gonna go into my Born to Run palette and I'm gonna go into the color Punk and I'm gonna put that directly into my crease. And with circular motions, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that where I want it to be and blend it out at the same time. I'm gonna go back into the first brush that I used and I'm gonna go ahead and buff that out. So from there, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and this is with my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in deep. And then on the edge, I'm just going to taper that off into the darker color because I don't want it to be like cut all the way. So you might even want to take a different brush to taper it off because you don't want the concealer to go all the way to the end. And before I go into any color, I'm gonna go back into my darkest color with the brush that I use, and I'm gonna pat over that just so I know that's gonna blend right. Because I don't want no surprises later. I'm just saying. And we're going to deepen that in a moment. But for now, we're going to go back into the Moroccan Spice palette. And the first color that I'm going to use is Moroccan Ice. It's this color. And it looks white. It goes on pink. And I think it has to do with me putting it over my concealer. But either way, it turns out kind of cute. I'm going to go ahead and take a small brush. I'm going to spray it with Fix Plus and then I'm going to put that into my inner corners. So towards the edge of that, I'm just going to go ahead and taper it off into the lid because I am going to blend this with the metallic green. And I don't want no lines of demarcation, you know, all up in there where it ain't supposed to be. So then I'm going to go into the color Marrakesh and I'm going to blend that into that color. So I'm going to place this right in the middle of the lid and then I'm going to get more detail with the brush. That's why you want to use a small detail brush. And I'm going to follow my cut crease. And this is the same brush that I used with the pink. So once I got that color on there, I'm just going to flip it back over. And I'm going to put that over the line just to make sure these are married to each other, you know. Towards the end of this, I am going to slightly blend it in just so that it's not just a harsh stop. So then I'm going to go back into my Born to Run palette with the color Punk and I'm just going to dab over that edge just so that it does blend the way I want it to. I'm going to go ahead and line my eye. I do want to do a cat eye today. I'm going to take my brush, I'm going to dip it into this gel liner. And I'm pretty much going to just start making small strokes along the lash line. And that way I can just build up the thickness that I want on my upper lash line. And then to create my wing, I'm just going to draw a line from right here. And then I'm going to pull it up. And then from there, I'm going to pretty much just connect the lines and fill it in. And this wing did get very dramatic, very quick, but I think so. I want to go pretty dramatic with this look, so it's cool. So I'm going to go ahead with my mascara. Today I'm going to be using my deck of Scarlet mascara. And this is just to pretty much prep my lashes and to remove any fallout that got on them so you don't see it underneath the lash. And I'm going to apply my lashes, and these lashes are iikonn eyelashes, and they are in Drunken Love. So as y'all can see, I'm super chill today. Like, I got my hoodie on, my hair back in a ponytail. It's been a day. Let's just leave it there. I do want to go ahead and give you guys a full face tutorial today because I do feel like so much I do just do my eyes on camera and then be like, I'll be right back, and my face be already beat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with y'all today. For my primer, I am gonna go in with my Cover FX mattifying primer, and this is in the sample size. And I get so oily that I do need a mattifying. Did y'all see him? All up in the camera, boys. All of it. So I do like to use a mattifying primer because I like for, you know, my skin to be matte. I get so freaking oily during the day, and it ain't cool. So on top of that, I'm also going to go in with my NYX Shine Killer, and I'm going to put that where I get the most oily, which is my nose, on the sides of my nose, my forehead. That's where it gets real, and it don't be cute either, not at all. And I'm going to go ahead and set my primer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is the medium deep. And ever since I saw Jackie Aina doing this, I was like, yes girl, let me try that, because I know she does it for oiliness, and I need my oil to stay at bay. The cool thing about this is it does give you a little bit of coverage. I've never tried to see if that will last like throughout the day. I just love this method, and I need all the help I can get. Looking like somebody slapped me with Vaseline by the end of the day. I'm not even trying to be funny either. So from there, I am going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which is my favorite right now. I'm going to go ahead and use this. This is in the color Spiced Rum. And I'm just going to put this all over. This color is like the perfect color for me. And I had some people comment and say that I'm chai and not Spiced Rum. And for you guys, I have to say, you're right. I am chai. But I'm chai in the wintertime. It's summertime. So I need some Spiced Rum in my life right now. For my concealer, I am going to go into my Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer, and this is in Maple. So guys, I got a lot of stuff at BeautyCon in my hauler bag, and I wanted to do a video showing you guys like everything that was in it. Boy, that's a big bag. Let me tell y'all, that video is going to be extremely long, and I don't know if everybody wants to see it, so I'm gonna ask y'all, I'm gonna do a poll on my Instagram to see. I'm gonna put a little survey right here for you guys. You know, if you want to see that, let me know so I can see. You know, I don't want to just be wasting y'all time. You know, most people don't want to see it, but I will show y'all. I've kept it in the bag for that reason. So if you want to see it, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Come on, this hair is all up in the way. I ain't got time for the hating, okay? I don't have time. And then I'm gonna set the rest of my face, the rest of my foundation with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. And I'm actually gonna let it sit around my mouth for a second, because them smile lines, they ain't my friend. I crease up a lot there, so it needs a lot of positive reinforcement. So I'm gonna go into my bronzer. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and this is in Mahogany. She has hit pan, honey. She hit pan a while ago. I'm gonna use this also to contour my nose. And then I always go through everything with my beauty blender, just to make sure everything is nice and blended out, no harsh lines. Everything is nice and smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face before I get into my under eye. And I'm gonna bring y'all back close. You know you wanna get that close, just come on back. So we're not that close. It's not so bad. For the under eye, I wanna take it pretty dark. I think we're gonna go into the color Nuts and Dates. And then I'm going to kind of pull that out a little bit underneath. So I am going to take like a fluffier flat brush just to blend that out on the ends. I don't want that to be extremely harsh. In the inner corners, I kind of want to do that green color. So I'm going to go back into Miracush, and I'm going to put that on my inner corners. So I'm going to go into Casablanca, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners. I am going to go ahead and line the bottom lash line with my gel liner, because it's just going to bring the drama that we need. And I'm going to make that liner thicker towards the edges. And then I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes too. And then for highlight today, I'm going to use my favorite highlighter, which is my Shayla by ColourPop. And this is in the color Pose. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face on before we get to lips. So for lips today, I really want to go dark. I really want to do a dark lip. So I can't decide if I want to go with burgundy or if I want to go with like brown. I think we're going to go with brown. And this is the Ellarie by ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip, and this is in Hennaways. And we're done. So I'm gonna stop being a bum. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go put on some earrings and a shirt and try to make myself look somewhat decent. And we're gonna wrap this up. Alright guys, so you know I had to just throw on some earrings, put my hair back in the bun. I feel like that. Well, take the shirt as well. I feel like that gave me a little bit more sophistication to pair with this look, you know? And we're good. If you guys like this look and you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet, my love. And I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye. Lord, this hair in my face, man. Oh, this wig life is ridiculous. Oh, Lord. Look at me dropping stuff. Oh, Lord. What's going on today?